It's been a week since Lucy started living here. We need to celebrate. One of the things she loves is picanha. Picanha is a cut of beef that was popularized in Brazil. Here in the US, the cut isn't well known and is often called top sirloin cap, rump cover, rump cap, or culotte. North American butchers generally divide this cut into other cuts such as the rump, the round, and the loin. Picanha is really pricey, but I'll be able to afford it since I just got my last huge check from my ex-employer. I cut my picanha like this. Put lots of salt on it, and then throw it on the grill. I served it to Lucy with some Brazilian wine and she loved it.
Delicious.
By the way, if you guys see any open positions for professional elephant butt cleaners at any zoo, please let me know. Oh no, looks like they made a typo on my check.